But since as you want to know my business, I'm going to give you a little bit of what you want to hear. Wagwan, what's great? Welcome back to the channel. So if you see the face and hear the voice, you know I hear John talk. You see the title, so I'm not going to talk too long. I'm going to just address this once and for all. You see what I say? Yeah, man, what I do? I read some comments, you know. Because in the last video, didn't get the chance to reply to your comments. You see me? In the last video, it was titled, let me tell you what the video title. This is why I've been stuck in Jamaica for the past 2 months and you haven't been seeing me. No, before that, that was 3 days ago I made that video. I'm going to tell you why I'm stuck at Jamaica, right? And before that, I didn't make a video for about 3 weeks because I've been here in Jamaica. I deal with business identity, is so tedious. Me explain all that in the next video, so I'm not going to go over that. What I am here about today is to reply to a few comments. Why? Because that business that was frustrating me get that sorted out. My homework done because you know I'm in school. You get me on forward from? Me edit up some videos. Today is Sunday, I may have the time. I might idly know I have the time for reply to you. Because you want me to reply to you so bad, so I'm going to reply to you once and for all. I replied to you or you and whoever still like you a couple months ago. You see me? I'm kind of private that video there because I put the kids in there. I say, you know what, I'm going to just take down that video. But I realize, see, now stop. So I'm going to reply, I'm going to leave it on the channel. Probably for those who come and feel the need to say something like what you are saying. We know them place. You see me? So how am I going to start out before I read the comments? Let me first start out by saying I understand what the internet is. I've been on the internet ever since I owned a smartphone back in 2009. But professionally, I've been on the internet since 2017. You see me? So things that people used to say used to bug me real hard. You get me? Especially when I used to cook and everything. I'm learning to understand the internet and say some people just I go talk. And you can't stop them. You do good then talk, you do bad them talk. And many a times they talk, some of them just, you know you love one girl and you pick on her in a primary school because you want her attention. You see me? You know you look a bad bro picking where you get trouble because they need attention. So me know you need little attention. So I'm going to give you. But not in the comments. I'm going to call him. I'm going to give you another video. Because my attention, I'm going to give you for work my time. If I comment and reply to your comment, it's not going to work my time. But I'm going to put in my video make it work my while. Alright? So let's go. I could read this comment where somebody leave. I'm going to delete it and make sure it says it is one of the most liked comments. So apparently this person is not alone. And let me start out by saying I did not take offense to this person's comment. It's the replies below it were shocking. And even in other comments, they're kind of a little bit nosy, but I give you like a small pass. See? Make you read it. I look a bit too enough in a sense. So before me start, I made a video why I change the channel name from Morris Time Family to Agent Morris. Whether or not persons like it, in my life. I tell people, say, yo, you see, if you want to rock with it, rock with it. If not, me understand. You see me? So, people, you know, sit well with them. This need for name Morris Time Family. I mean, not care what you want to see and what you want to do. We want to see your family. I basically, bad enough bad me up. You know, I love the family, but it was my choice to put my family on the internet, and it is also my choice not to. So why? I'm not even going to ask why. So I'm not going to ask why. I'm going to take them off, and that is that. But that's not the problem, you know, for people that say they miss the family, you know. The problem lies when they tell me what to do. But me, I'm going to tell you now what to do, or what me I going to do. So I'm going to read a comment first now. I think you should pack your family up and move back to JA because that is where your heart is. It can not be good that you are disappearing for months and missing out on your children's life. It has to be hard on them and your wife. She deserves a gold medal. Taking care of 3 young kids on her own. The time you miss with your kids, you can never regain or make up for. No FaceTime or phone call can make up for an absent parent. Now that was the reply. That was the comment. We are going to go down in a day. 13, well, updated 13 responses. Make we see the responses now. One user wrote, I totally agree. You see me? That's what one user wrote. That got 12 likes. Mind you, the comments we get the replies got 130 likes. 130 I don't agree. We get it. Then under that, you have a person totally agree, got 12 likes. Next one say I agree too, got 6 likes. I agree with you 100%. That's facts, true. 9 likes. Next person say, especially leave his wife with all children, no help. It's sad. 14 likes. Somebody replied to that person and say, okay, how is this to be true? No help. You get where I'm forward from? That got 5 likes. Only Jamaican men normalize this behavior, being present and available in being be, only Jamaican men normalized this behavior. Being present and available in children and their partners' lives seems like a heavy task. Sounds like we're speaking from experience. I'll continue. That got 18 likes. It's insensitive to leave a woman with 3 children with no help. 14 likes. This Rosa wrote, from experience, my father did something similar, but he chose not to leave while we were young and took us with him to Jamaica and officially left once we graduated from high school. And I appreciate his presence while we were young. That got 9 likes. It's selfishness. You're a family man. If you don't want to do this, you shouldn't have got. You shouldn't have got married. Simple. 15 likes. Talk truth. I agree with you. 6 likes. Totally agree. 4 likes. I agree. 4 likes. I agree. 4 likes. Okay. So we get the picture. Everybody's agreeing that you shouldn't be at Jamaica. You should not do what you do. You should have just stay at Canada and do your family at all time. You should not do nothing what you do. That's everybody's opinion. So over the months, people have been commenting and saying, where's the family? And I know I have persons on here who genuinely check for the family. Me soon in the comment section. We're not talking about Uno today. We are talking about the people them way. Basically, dry eye, I gotta tell me what me fi do. So before me get down in this comment, I go first and foremost say, you see, if you want to have a say in my everyday action, then if you start pay me. Only somebody can tell me what to do. And the people pay me. And the last time I checked, the only somebody will pay me a YouTube. We go so boom now. I go address the big comment. Oh, before we go there, so. Say if you need to know why me there Jamaica and what me I do, before if you left a comment, you leave a donation on my PayPal. And then you can say, hey John, where you going to Jamaica going to do? Now I'm obligated to answer because you sponsor my trip. I can say, you're going to say, hey John, where you going to Jamaica go to before me get that money? I'm going to tell you exactly. But until then, I don't owe you no talk. I know I'm going to have my people. I'm going to say, hey John, don't answer them, load them. I leave them a lot of times, you know. But I don't depend on like a black something there. You get me? I say more address it and leave that video here. And probably if the person persists and they not put no money for my PayPal to tell me what to do, then at this point you deserve a block because you're just a waste of space and not provide a solution. You say me not for the Jamaica because me not do nothing down there and in Goodley Island. You don't know if me down here as a thief and rob. You don't know me I do. And therefore I'm saying, okay, in order for me to tell you what me I do, provide a solution. Pay me so me not for there at Jamaica. Since I say you know my everyday life and what me I do. Pay me for stay in my yard. So if you pay me, I'm not going to move. But until then, tap it nice. And if you're not tapping nice, you're going to get black. You see what I say? So boom now. Let me address the whole Alisa situation. If you take care of 1 child, that's not easy, my friend. If you take care of 2 child, oh my jeez. 3, but even one goddess. So. I mean, I'm going to tell you this. I have 3. Now I'm going to say 3. I have 2 rascals. Because then 2 of them close in this. You know, them fiery. You see me? I've seen firsthand what kids are. Because I have been a parent just as long as Alyssa. You see me? So, I know say tough. And I make sure say every time I can tap you there and make sure you know say you're doing a great job. I appreciate you. And let me say this to the man. I'm going to use this as a teachable moment. It's when you have pitney. It's when you choose a partner. Choose somebody who is capable. Because moments like these where me need for the point A from point B from point A. You need a capable person. Most of these people who are talking probably not capable. You see me I say? So Is it pressuring on Alyssa? Absolutely. Tough. More while in calm and he say, oh, I can't do this, I'm tired. And I say, Mama, just give me a little bit more time. Okay? No, me I deal with, me I deal with. And it's tough, it's rough. And we'll never grow that. Deal with one child. Right now, it's like she had a 3 part-time job. Not part-time, 3 full-time job. You see me? So me know that's tough. But at the end of the day, I cannot be around and get things done. And so life work. One have to sacrifice the other. I can be me see uno same one. Not even uno. You same one sometimes you see you come in my comment section. And yeah, go tell me now, say, oh, 2 bedroom, I can go get one bigger place in family. But you are the same person who want to tell me, say, if you turn on my yard, and me not go do nothing. If it's there with my wife and me picking them. But you are the same person who go beat me, you know, if me there with my wife and picking them and me not provide a different life for them. But me go out there and me at work and me I try to provide a different life. You see man I go tell me if you turn on my yard. So make it make sense. You just love people business and not provide a solution. Get me afford from? Yeah man. So as I say, me know this is tough for Alice, but this is things that me and her have in talk in private, I have to bring right or so. But since as you want to know my business, I go give you a little bit of what you want for a year. Get me afford from? So yeah. As I say, if me I go come here, sorry, if me I go move from A, B, and C, the internet want run my life. All want tell me say, if you bring back on the family and a bag of thing. Me no understand the obsession. First and foremost, me break it down to you. Me know so when you stop and look. First of all, I say, woman, you know, I love the woman them, but nobody no hate woman like woman, you know. And sometimes a woman can be your biggest enemy, you know. You get my fault from? Because let's say now me sit down and raise with Alyssa. No, let's say me sit down and raise with Alyssa. Alyssa know exactly what I do, but you don't know. And she come on the internet and see all of these comments. Of course, since he thinks it go rub him the wrong way and them like a thing there. You see me? So women are very emotional. Now she know the sacrifice I make for my family, but because she see these comments, she go say, boy, and this I go force her to start pre some type of way. And probably even pre me when she know what me I do for the family. Get me fault from? So Mr. Sure says woman a woman own enemy. Because I have some sensible people in the comments to say, yo, you don't know what the man I do. You don't know if the man leave help. Now go show you case and point. A year and a half ago or 2 years ago, I apply and get my mother in Canada. And some people point us the same one. When I bring my mother come to Canada to help out in the house because I know I go move from Canada to back from forth to Jamaica and make sure I just have the help. When the same man is talk about how me have my mother in Canada work him out. And my wife need to do more than a bag of thing. And when my mother come back to Jamaica now, first of all, when my mother there in Canada, sometimes mommy hardly do it because Alyssa not even allow her. You see me? Alyssa is that type of person. She not put no pressure upon nobody. But mama was there to help her out in the times of need. Let's say she need to go on the road. She not to carry the pitney man, etc., etc. So mama was there to help out in so many ways than one. But we can't thank her enough. But when you see man used to beat too bad. And I say, oh, I work out mommy and how she look like she want to go home and look for us. A bunch of things, you know, say. You confused, you know. You confused. So now mommy come back home, I want to do one. Not that me do it on phone. You realize how long she did it? She come back when it was time for her to come back. But now Alyssa did not go say, oh, I left my wife alone. Even when I came to Jamaica, mommy and Alyssa did there, Canada. Alyssa had the help that you say she need right now. You still have something to say. Boy, why me even respond to this? I should me have time. And again, it's content. Right? And for me, if you just reply and say, yo, if I go want to tell me what to do, you have to go start contribute to my finances. If you want to tell me what to do. Get to my phone. I'm looking at King Pan here, so if you want to tell me what to do. If you until then, if you go leave a comment and I not see no notification coming on my PayPal and you not provide that solution and I tell you if you provide to make you stay me out, black. Yeah man. I go start black. I don't normally black, but I have to go start black because at this point, yes, attack. Some people in their life, you know. You know what you need to go do? You need to go sweep out under your bed. Because it's probably under your bed full of cobweb and dust. You not sleep properly. So you not sleep properly, your company internet a get problem. I guarantee you, if you sweep out under your bed, you will sleep better and tap on comment foolishness from people think. Because I don't know why somebody's life means so much to you. I know what it is, you know. You see, most of you comment a bag of thing. Only thing you need, don't care what effect you have on somebody else's life. You may understand that me put my life out there, but even when I not put my life out there, I still try dig feet. You just want a couple likes for one post and somebody if you agree there and within that split second of a time on the internet. Because you get a couple likes, you feel like someone. You're not. You're a pest. You see me? If me the man would have tell you if you go find work in the house, don't come on for the internet. I mean, know people are going to say, but at the internet pay, of course. But me I teach people positive thing, but they don't want to see that. You know, if you want to click on that video and see mix up and drama. Me's not a drama man, my friend. Only time you see drama, I say not even drama with me address. Your bull crap. Yeah, go and go sweep out underneath your bed. You see that little something there with the in your fridge where you store onion supposed to. You see that something where you store onion, go and go clean out the tray in your fridge. Go find something do. Cause even when you get the couple likes, it never change your living situation. Me I tell you, sweep out on the bed and see how much you sleep better tonight. Me I tell you. You ever store some box on the bed and your bed feel heavy? When you clean it house, so you feel light and sleep good, go clean your place, man. And trust me, you ain't even remember nothing about Asian and say India, Jamaica, and you left your wife and pick them a Canada. Because if you provide me a solution, you will not. You not do nothing for my family, so why you so concerned? You're too concerned, man. Let it go, man. Let it go. Let it go. You don't know what me I do in my life and that burn you like. Me take out my family burn you. You know see this burn you. Me see how other things play out on the internet. That's why you now get the drama from me, my friend. Because it's like fast food. After you get the drama and that died, I'm gonna move on to the next one. No you realize I'm not prank over here, so. Me not mix up with nobody, my friend. Me stay by myself. If mix up want to follow the blood of Jesus against that, and me I go cause it. Because I do mix up in my real life and I will definitely not do it on the internet. But I say implore you. Say you are about my wife and my kids. And you go have some people in your community who need help. But you not look upon them. Because nobody now go see the goodness you do for them. But you want to come over here so come play a good Samaritan because you want a couple likes. Nobody not see you, man. Yes, they may see and give you a couple likes, but after that, what next? Go look sitting do, man. Go sleep out on their bed so you can sleep good. Yeah. Me no mean for this up people, you know. Where you see you where is not a supporter and you just look somebody for tear down. I tell you if you go look sitting do, man. Go look sitting do. You see me? Because I just burn you so you don't know what me I do. And it go continue burn you. I will not share what me I do unless me want to share it. You see me? I go share knowledge upon you. So if you don't find value in it, then go on. Because small minds discuss people. Big mind discuss idea. You realize me discuss on this channel? Idea. Me teach people how to better than life. But no, you don't click on that video there. You only click on one video like this so you have one negative title. Because you're a small mind. You want to discuss people. When I'm here discussing ideas, how can we move from point A to B as a people? Me I teach people about Jamaica. You have to look out for them things. You don't want to see that. You only want to see mix up and blender. Oh, him and his wife, this and him picking them that. That alone you want to see. And because I know how I love my Jamaican people, but I realize how my Jamaican people in Jamaica and the diaspora are. I kind of shift myself from that because in real life I'm not a negative person. If I start the negativity, I don't even want to around you, my friend. So therefore I'm going to rid you off my channel because you're not providing any value. You see me? Make sure so me never come on the internet and say this and that I reach my family and if you can go over here, I go sit to them. No, me never do that yet. So why you feel the need to come and I run a bag of assumption where I go on? As I say, it is tough for Alisa, yes, because I'm not physically there, but me provide all I can. It's not like a workless baby father. When I take care of pitney them, but you don't know if they eat. You see me? In this comment, the person I say, absent father, no phone call, can't ever make up. I bet say, me never da make a phone call and FaceTime and talk to them. I want next story. Imagine the least you can do is talk to your family on the phone. I don't do that, then beat you. You see me? So what if I was in the army and I have to go away? Me wouldn't, remember, when you sign up for the army, and you have a pan card, you have to go in and a choice, So what if I was not a YouTuber, but an army veteran? Not veteran, I was an army personnel, a soldier. And me get called for duty. So you write me off as a dirty, so them man they were out there working, but we are work and I protect the countries. And them have to go out there go work. Them is an absent father, them is a dirty father. Them selfish, they not take care of them family. But bet say that man they turn a yard and now see him and talk about the man. The old boy, the dirty boy sit down up under me and he not even go look walking workless. I gotta burn him. And the man gone out there gonna look the bread. Never have time for us, always working. So you go burn him same way. Burn if you do, burn if you don't. But I'm not afraid of burn, you know. Me's a chef. I'm not afraid of burn. You see me? Be a heat there in the kitchen. So burn me all you know want. Man, I'm not talking about my man burn me. I say, oh no, burn me all you know want. Because in idea, I'm not going to turn 50. Because of some people on the internet will leave a comment or one couple likes. I look back and say, John, do you want to please them people? You know, so I never do it. I have to do it and see, you know. I not know to life. I'm just not. No. I not point no finger upon nobody as a big man up in my age. Right now, this a version of me. I have to go take care of the old version of me. You better make sure you say the version of you with up on the internet. I comment 50 years, 20 years on when you come back on this video and see the comments when you left, your life in a good place. Go clean out on the bed. Start from there. I'm in college, right? I'm doing this course called Essential Skills. And can you believe that adult people in my class, older than me, not in 40s, I got 50s, one of their goal for the moving forward, and even enough people New Year's resolution is to learn to spread them bed. I've been doing that from about 4. You see me? So start out by learning to spread the bed at morning time. Wash out your plate and sink before you go your bed. Sweep out on the bed. So your room, your place light, and you will have less time to comment on people video and just want to know their every move. You see me? So with that said, that's how I have to do with that comment. I see the people them also will defend me to the fullest. You see me? Big up on yourself. But you don't have to kill up yourself for them. Just like how you tell me, say, you don't have to reply. But me have time today and it's content. Because when you got too much stress with the Jamaica system and how slow it was, hence why I made that video, hence why I'm replying to this comment under that video. And so I had a creative block. I couldn't record no video phone because I was so frustrated with how long I have to wait. But as I say, if it going to take however long I have to do with my business, I am going to do my business. I'm not going to rush the process because somebody comment and say me for there Canada. Sorry. And I tell me what to do. It's me forward from. Either come like say, you know what me have. My country I say me born. I am me born. See it there. Jamaica me born. They can't tell me when to come here and when not to come here. Because I'm pretty sure I never go so boom. Yo, what go on? Yeah, dog. Yeah, man, me there, man. Me not too bad I still know what. Yeah, man, me don't know if I can help out a situation. You know, say, I want to go yard do. I don't have the money. Yeah, me know me go the last, me dey spend 3 months there, like, but yo, me have some important. So I have to tell you what I go do. Alright. You know, say as such and such me I go sort out. If you say you can buy a ticket for me go down. What you say, you know support to me I go down go do or you know benefit to say you know buy a ticket. Alright, I understand. Alright, I call somebody else and see if he can buy me a ticket. Alright, manners and respect. Alright, thanks. Yeah. Me not do that. Me not beg you nothing. So you can't tell me when to go up on a flight because I not beg you a plane fare. You see that? Me have to tell you a while ago. My business. And even when I tell you my business, you know, approve of it. Say, nah, buy me the ticket. So therefore, me work for me one. And before me move, me thank God for the strength to give me in my hand them so I can do this work. Yeah. In real life, me is a ranking youth, you know. Yeah, man. Me drink water and go my bed. Me not beg you, my friend. It's a ranking youth. Why I do that? Because I like a sense of independence. Do what I want to do. Yeah, that's what being an adult is. If you want, my mother used to tell me, say if you don't want nobody talk to you, you need to go work your own money. But mommy, you were wrong. Because me out I do my own thing and people still want to tell me what to do. And a project. As I said, me is not your workless baby father. Your workless husband. The man when I don't feel pitting them where you living at the house and you feel like you have one second, one third child or one 15th child. I'm not that person. Me is a person where me not perfect. But me do what I'm supposed to do for my family. And if me not do it for my family, I do things for my family. Because everything me do are for my family. Sometimes I wish if me be selfish, you know. Sometimes I take a little time for myself and do a little thing for myself, I feel guilty. Wish if me be selfish, man. Probably that is further in a life. But needless to say, that's neither here, that's neither there. What I'm doing in Jamaica, what my house I doing in Jamaica, that is not your business. You see me? My family there, me not call upon you if you do nothing for them. So let it go. You see me? I am trying to take my family off the internet and you're holding on to them. The blade will cut you, let it go. You see me? This channel is not about mix up. Damn if you do, damn if you don't. But me only I make this video for finally say teachable moment for the man them. Say here what? You see what them a beat me because me left time after time and come to Jamaica for do business and they don't know what? And them a worry about my wife. Make sure you don't choose a wife or a girlfriend or somebody to bring forth your kids. That go for both the man and the woman. That they are capable. So in your absence, your children will not suffer. Even if it is rough, your partner can pull through. You see me? If rough man, I say yes, because I did it. But she's a capable woman. You see me? And just like how she trusts me to make sure so the family good, no matter how tough life may hit me. And so I trust her to make sure so the youth them good, no matter how life may hit her and how frustrating it is with the youth them. I trust her. But not because she trusts me, means that me don't want to help being the breadwinner and she don't want help being the caregiver. We both balance a thing, but at times me have to just balance it on my own and she have to balance it on her own because me can't do everywhere at once. And certain things require my attention. Not in Canada. I mean, I run from my family for the people and feel I run from my family. Oh, if you bring them with you, yeah, go buy the. I could live for this. Because when I go out of character, you see me? But big up the people I show age and love and support in the comments, me see you. You see me? I always see you. And me never make it go unnoticed. But me say, me have little time today, and I do want to answer some of them people. Look up people business, man. Go and go sleep out under your bed. I realize how much you sleep. You see, if me that fear, man, I come on the internet and see in the people comment section, me that have problem. Yeah, man. So once again, big up the people and thank you very much for watching. You see, until next time, safe travel on the gravel and go and big up yourself. And know say if you comment something right now, negative because you want me to make one video, I'm not gonna make it, because I'm gonna leave that one up. But if you comment and I say leave one PayPal donation, because that come like you want me comment, I'm not go out there go work, me for beg. According to you, me just there Jamaica, me not work. You see me? Me have to go just check if you know send something through PayPal. And if you don't see no PayPal nothing send, me just block you and make you go find somebody else's life retirement because apparently your life not eventful enough.